This is the OPPO Reno 12 5G, so let's unbox it. Box, we do get the quick guide, the safety guide, the SIM ejector tool, the transparent back cover, the wall adapter for charging, and the USB-C cable. And here's the phone. Looks really nice and feels nice as well. It feels much better than the Reno 11 and the 10. You can see the bottom, you do get the USB-C cable, speaker, and the rest. For the camera, we do have a 50 megapixel main one. It takes really good photos and videos. And for the display, it's quite good as well. This is a 6.7-inch display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7.1 protection. So the display looks good. It's a curved display, feels and looks really nice. As you can see from the screen, the bezels are very thin, which is something people appreciate. Here's the display. Have a look at it. Very sharp, very nice. Feels really nice. It's very responsive. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset, which is paired with 12 GB of RAM, which can be expanded by a further 12 GB. And some of the key features on this phone are the AI features, which include AI scroll, which you can scroll with just by pointing your hands and just without touching the phone. You can scroll through the phone. And also AI summary, which allows you to summarize any web page. On this here, you can see I'm summarizing the OPPO's Reno 12 product page. So you can summarize any web page, and it does that very quick, and you can save the summary on your notes. And this is a very good phone. It feels nice to hold. It feels very sharp. The display is very nice. I'll be doing a review of it in the next few days. So watch out for that if you're interested.